looks. You know what it looks like it's doing? It looks like it's repeating the same parabolic move against Atropa. That's what it looks like it's doing.
Yeah, then screw Atropa. That's all about wrap Bitcoin then.
Well, we can wait till if it clips, then we can do something about it. This 3-day actually looks like it. This might be where you do it, actually. To be honest, this might be where it just, I don't know.
Are you going to get some? Okay.
I don't know. Do I want to keep rolling my fucking Bitcoins, dude? And if I end up being wrong, I get fucked.
Yeah, stay put. Stay put.
It's like gambling on a ratio, and they're all going to go up against dollars probably. So like,
gambling's so fun because when you win, it feels good.
Strategic risk taking is a little bit more fun. This is gambling with my future ROI on an asset that could potentially do some stupid shit. Yeah.
You mean be the real Bitcoin? That's what you're trying to say.
It could be. Could be.
What if in 5 years from now we're all chatting about here and you're like, oh my gosh, this is the real thing. I gotta sell the whole thing. Full for it, like this guy said.
Yeah.
We're all trying to beat it too. We were all trying to be with ratios when the simple thing was just hold that. Because that's like the Bitcoin.
Well, Treasury bill versus wrap Bitcoin looks like a bottom, dude. That looks like the bottom. Really. That looks pretty good.
Wait a second. You think Treasury bill is going to rip out versus wrap Bitcoin?
Look at it.
Yeah, no, that's good. Well, I have news for you then. Because if that is, then Teddy's bonded heavily with it, and it's less liquidity, so it's more squeezable. So look at Teddy versus T-bill.
I know the teddy bear trade. I know about the teddy bear trade, dude. I know about it.
Is that T-bill versus Teddy versus T-bill?
This is just Teddy, I think.
Let's see Teddy versus T-bill ratio.
Yeah. So you know what it looks like it's doing? It looks.
Am I coming through, motherfuckers? Nice.
She's got a lot of the treasury bills, so there's a reason why she's got it. It's like it's repeating the same parabolic. This is Teddy versus T-bill.
That's terrible. Yeah, wait, now it looks better. That's all about wrap Bitcoin.
Wait, well, we can wait till if it clips, then we can do something about it. This 3-day actually looks like it.
That's a setup.
That's not where you want to rotate treasury bill to teddy bear.
Where would you want to do it?
You would have wanted to do it at the top of the range or this lower high right here.
Oh shit!
Right. This is probably going to go up. I don't know.
Are you going to get if that goes up, that means Teddy outperforms T-bill.
I don't know. Do I want to keep rolling my fucking? This is T-bill versus treasury bill. I get fucked.
I see Teddy versus T-bill. Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah, this is Teddy versus T-bill.
Yeah, so if that goes up, that means you want to be in Teddy.
Okay, cool.
You're writing Teddy to make more T-bill, you see?
Yeah, well, I guess so. So, like,
okay.
The weekly is
gambling's so fun.
Really too convincing
because when you win, it feels good.
Strategic risk taking is
what's that?
More fun. We have to see that materialize into something maybe a little bit more than what it's doing. Right?
This is the weekly.
The weekly future. Let's go to
the weekly.
The monthly looks like shit.
Terrible, yeah, terrible.
Do some stupid shit.
So when is the 2 week?
You mean
that's the Sunday.
Real Bitcoin? That's what you're trying to say.
Okay. How's the 2 week look?
It could be. I have no data on the 2 week.
That's 2 week. Weekly.
The 3-day looks like okay. Maybe you're getting across here.
Okay, so it's just starting.
What if in 5 years from now we're all chatting about here and you're like, oh my god, this is the real thing.
You're right. Just ride the T-bill. Like you said, there's a reason why she's in T-bill or has the majority of the T-bill.
Yeah.
T-bill's the key. Follow the money. You're right. Follow the money.
I mean, yeah, this looks maybe like a descending broadening formation in development. It looks
hypothetically. What kind of
We're all
percent
trying
move
to
you
beat
think
it,
it
too.
could
We're
do?
all
It
trying to
could
do
do
it
based
right.
on structure without breaking
It's a
structure
simple thing when
inside
you
that
hold that.
So you know what it looks
broad
like it's doing?
descending wedge
It
there.
looks like it's
So, yeah, I
retracing.
mean,
So in
in
theory,
that
if
Bitcoin
this is a
parabolic
big bull
move again,
flag,
that looks
right?
like
Because
the
that's what
bottom.
that would be.
Really.
Then it
That looks
could
pretty
do
good.
something pretty nuts, right? It could do something like this. Maybe to the top wick,
Okay.
right? Like that. That's a possible scenario if this plays out. And that would be, yeah, like a 200% move against T-bill.
Okay.
A little bit less. It's not even that big of a ratio trade. Do you understand?
Right. Yeah.
It's not. It's almost
huge.
not. It's not even almost worth me even rotating.
Yeah.
If it was like a 7x or 8x ratio trade, then
Wait,
yeah, that'd be worth it.
still, oh yeah, 3x is not much. Yeah.
Because
So
it may
3x, that's still
it may only get to here, which is like what 100%. Okay, so it outperforms it by 2x, or like
See, it's
80,
not worth the
80.
risk if you're wrong, right? It's not worth the risk if you're wrong. That's what you mean, right?
Yes.
If it was a bigger RR on the game of that ratio, then
If it was at least a 3-to-1, I would consider it. Yeah.
right. I see what you mean because the best case is 2-to-1 on that from current. Okay, I got you.
The best ratio trade right now is the wrap Bitcoin to teddy bear, because
Yeah,
even
look at the upside. Yeah.
because the upside is pretty dramatic.
Yes.
But the problem is, tell you what the problem is if this doesn't break out, it's just going to go back to the range lows. Like maybe you go up to the 618, reject it, and then you go all the way down because wrap Bitcoin makes a fucking explosive move versus it.
That's why you're worried. You would be afraid not to miss that, obviously, and therefore not roll into any Teddy. When would you potentially do Teddy roll? Potentially.
I would like to see a trend line break and a back test and a consolidation here is what I would like to see.
Okay, yeah, makes sense.
Oh, but at that point you're late. No, dude, you have confirmation.
No, it's good.
You have
It's
confirmation.
yeah.
You have confirmation at that point. But
Yes.
I'm looking not on a daily chart. It would have to be on like a weekly.
Oh, wow. So that could be, it could go up significantly and then back test. I
Yeah.
see.
Yes.
On the weekly. That could be a couple months out. Yeah, it's better not to do it then.
It is better not to do it.
Just wait. Just ride that Bitcoin, yeah.
Because I had to get more Bitcoin.
Well, we just tagged an hourly supply zone, and we're probably overbought after that move. So, yeah, that makes sense. We're getting a pullback here. Dump it. Right into supply on the hourly. But, yeah, I mean, okay, so what? Wrap Bitcoin can come back to like 340s or something, or even 320s. As long as it makes a higher low, I think it's fine. You know. Yeah.
But you don't think that's the issue with wrap Bitcoin? It gives back a lot. What about you think Teddy could continue its rippage like today?
Teddy just nailed the fib extension. I don't see Teddy continuing either here. I think it's going to also pull back. There you go. It's also pulling back right now. After that.
Hit the fib, I see. Okay.
Yeah, tagged it. Boom. Fed might pump a little bit because this thing didn't. I mean, if they're all pulling back, they're all going to stop. I mean, like, it just is what it is.
So it could be a Fed show.
Everyone getting all excited about a 20% move.
Show's over.
In my opinion, it's nothing right now. This is just
over.
Everything is just very oversold. Look
Okay,
how deep.
so it's
Look
just
how deep.
oversold bounce.
Look how deep blue this shit is, dude. Like, yeah, it's gonna bounce somewhere.
Wow, that is deep blue, like super deep ocean, underwater blue,
Yeah.
deep sea blue. Crap.
Okay, so we just went up like 30 plus %, and we're gonna go down like 15, 20%, and then reset and then go again. You know, that's what it'll do. But yeah, I mean, on Fed, we're breaking this trend line right here, which is great to see. It would make sense if this thing came back to at least tag the bull market support band up here at like an 80% move or something ahead of it here. That sounds about right. What would suck is if we got up there and we did one of these and then we came back down, because we're going to probably come back down after something like that. And then if it reclaims and holds that, that's great. You make like maybe an inverse head and shoulders, and then you can actually maybe get the fuck out of here. That'd be great to see on Fed. Something like that. But yeah, I don't know.
So how about Bitcoin then? How is that going now?
Dude, Bitcoin holding the long-term trend line here like it's its job.
It's defended. That's good.
It's so wrecked on the 3-day. RSI oversold. Has to bounce here. It can't go down anymore. It's got to bounce. So we're gonna get this bounce. My guess is like it's probably gonna go tag 98K or something. And what could happen is we get up there and get rejected, and we could end up doing one of these. Okay. This is a possible scenario if we do that. If we don't do that and we rip through it, and we reclaim, 104, then we have a shot at making a new all-time high, I would say. To me, it's just, I don't know, man. They really got to fucking rip this thing into the close if they want to negate these high time frames. This all points
how's
down.
NVIDIA looking?
NVIDIA? I think NVIDIA tried to kind of recover a little bit today. I mean, yeah, I don't know. Not good. Does that look like a place where you want to be buying NVIDIA?
Well, if that goes down, you know what happens then.
Well, you could very clearly see what's going to happen here. I have it drawn out already.
Yeah, come down.
I mean, we got Friday's price. If they can pop this thing back above the 188 level, yeah, there's a chance that this thing can go higher. I'm not trying to be a bear on NVIDIA. It's one of the strongest assets there is, but this all kind of points down, man. None of it's pointing up. It all looks like.
So there's two drivers of NVIDIA, right? There's crypto as well as like miners as well as AI for compute. So
yeah.
So, I mean, do you think it's at full capacity demand use? Probably not, right?
I don't know.
Why it's running hot. The Russell did well, right? It broke the previous, 20 to 21.
Yeah, there could be some rotation into small caps now, is what maybe is going on. Yeah, the Russell's got room to fucking go. Like this thing could blast to the 1618 easy. The quarterly looks really fucking bullish, dude. That looks really bullish on the quarterly time frame. Yeah, the Russell.
Yes,
I think we're gonna get an altcoin season. That's probably what this is setting up for. Okay, so maybe not so much pay attention to Bitcoin, but more so pay attention to ETH.
Yes.
Okay. And maybe some alts like Avalanche down here probably looks good too. This thing tagged its low. This is a nice rectangle. I'm not betting on Avalanche, but if you were, this could be a descending triangle that you maybe break north out of. And that's not a bad move for an L1, a 600% move if you break out of here. Yeah, that's your $200 avalanche. That's a nice trade. Even this EGLD shit coin, this thing might actually do something here. It looks like a falling wedge pattern. It's been falling for quite some time. I don't know if this is going to get bids, but it could. I'm not betting on this anymore, but yeah. But like, what about like something like Fetch? Talking about AI. Oh, this is a nasty break, dude. Yeesh. Yeah, I don't know. That looks like shit. Maybe H bar. Yeah, H bar actually looks still okay. See how this quarterly candle closes. If they close this quarterly candle and they wick it back up to like 18 or even hammer it up to 21 cents here, that's pretty bullish. But this doesn't look bullish though. You see how the stochastics are pointing down? So that looks not so good. That looks not so good.
That's on the 3 months, so that's not good at all. It takes a long time to do something. Yeah.
Injective, yeah. I don't know. If it comes down to this trend line here, that's probably where you want to buy it. This trend line right here. Boop, boop, crash, boop, crash. You're in kind of the snowman's land here that you're maybe bouncing because oversold. But yeah, your 2 week is oversold. Your 3 week is oversold. And your monthly is oversold. So yeah, you could probably start accumulating INJ.
Yep, I have.
Yeah. Still could go down a lot more, by the way. Like it could come all the way back down to the dollar range, and that wouldn't really shock me. It might bounce here. You're probably going to get a bounce here. Probably do something like this, where it might even bounce to like $11 to $15 or something, and then get rejected and come lower again. You know.
It goes up there, you just sell it and rebuy it.
I just said that, yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I was buying it since it was about 515, 520, something.
This
like
Mamo coin looked interesting to me. This AI agent platform or whatever. This has got some nice bull div down here. See that? That looks interesting. And that wedge pattern could play out in some regard. And this, even if it doesn't fulfill the whole wedge pattern, it could go back to like, I don't know, 9-10 cents. That looks like about where it could get to. It's a pretty big move. You know what this actually looks like? I take that back. This actually looks like a major harmonic pattern is what it looks like. But I don't know. I don't think it's got enough data for that. But yeah, more buy signals on the daily here. 2-day RSI wrecked. You got the bull div here on the 2-day. Check it out. You see it?
So Buffett bought like 4 or 5B worth of Google a week ago or something. He did that before these moves. So is he like an oracle still to do that when everyone thinks it's the top?
Well, don't forget, he rotated Apple for Google. It's not like he put fresh cash in the market. He rotated.
Good point. So he felt it was stronger because of the AI direction, right?
Well, it's actually more so about the PE ratio, right?
Oh, it's a lower PE for Google than
Google's undervalued based off its revenue.
I see. Okay, so that's why he did it.
So yeah, I mean, Google's probably worth $500 a share, at least, based off its revenue model.
Well, you care about the PE ratio. It's lower. That's the bottom line. So that's why he rotated. I see.
Yeah. I think Google's pretty much done. It's coming into that trend line. It's probably going to get wrecked up here. It's not going to go much higher than where it is.
But he could have obviously sold
91 on the RSI, bro. Come on, dude.
Why did he buy it? losing
Because
his luster at 95.
because he's got to move money out of an asset that he thinks is going to underperform.
Yeah, but if it goes down, he's losing the cash value, so he could just hold the cash. He could have just sold it and went to cash.
Dude, the dude's in 45% cash.
Yeah.
Why
That's
does he
fine.
need more? Why does he need more cash?
Oh, that's like saying, why does somebody make money need more money? Always need more. He needs more
No,
to,
he
to
doesn't.
help investors make more.
He
But
doesn't.
I was just so curious why he. Thank you for clarifying. So he decided to roll it, but because the P is lower. That's good.
He decided to rolling it and putting fresh cash in are two completely different things.
Oh
He
yeah,
needed
absolutely.
he needed to he probably for tax reasons needed to move the money into something.
I don't know about that because once he sells, it's a taxable event. So he had to sell unless he rolled it. You can't do a 1031 exchange on that unless you use another fund. Actually, you know what? You're right, bro. You're actually right. There's actually a special purpose vehicle where it's like for big numbers, where you can roll one equity position into another without a taxable event. So that's what he probably did.
Right.
You're actually right. There's ways to do that for high net worth stuff. Like I know we know. I don't know if you know about that, but there's certain
Okay.
ways to do it.
Well, here's the quarterly on Google. This still has got room to go on the quarterly. This is going to go higher. This chart's nuts. It's Google.
Yeah, it's the domination, like Nvidia. Okay, so then we're gonna look at lower caps.
I'm long a bunch of circle here.
Oh yeah, I was gonna ask how wonderful is that going now? You're on spot though.
Yeah, but I put like 10 grand into it down here. It's pretty
Okay.
decent position.
Yes. So then basically we'll look at the Russell to look at the alt rotation along with ETH.
So like low caps, if you want low caps, then you want like I don't know, like like
How about the total 3ES going?
BBAI stock or whatever. This thing looks interesting. I called this thing out at fucking like $1 a share when it was down here, like a couple years, like last year when it was down here. This thing fucking made a run. Yeah, 10x. But yeah, that looks nuts. Like it's just continuing to make higher lows. It hasn't
How's total 3ES?
3ES. Yeah, not good. Not good.
Is it reclaiming the structure?
Not so far. You got a few days to reclaim that, man. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of what that's doing. I could be wrong. The way I'm looking at it, maybe this is actually it. This is probably it. I guess it's fine. It's maybe still in this structure. Yeah. Let's look at it on the line chart. I guess based off the line chart, it's okay. This was a blow off top. So yeah, I guess it's okay. As long as it holds that, then I think it's okay. It looks really bad though. Look at the monthly. Does that look good to you? That looks not good to me. But the weekly's resetting here, and this has got a chance to reclaim. It's basically got to snap back above 640s here next few days. Looks bad. below time frames look good, so it could start to push back in.
Yeah, they're pushing it back in. Okay, so that means total 3S versus BTC is bouncing.
Yeah. Total 3. This doesn't exclude stable coins though. This actually
Right.
looks pretty good.
Yeah, but you want ES because you want stable coins.
Yeah.
So then the ratio versus BTC is good too. The total 3S. I'm curious if you use that or something else.
Total 3 ES. This is total 3 ES BTC.
Yeah.
Is that the range low? I feel like we've looked at this before. Yeah,
That's promising then.
It is promising. It is promising. Yeah, it looks like you got a 2-month bullish
that's
cross.
good. That's an alt rotation then.
It's
going green.
It does appear to be that, yes.
Okay. What was that time frame that you just showed on the MACD there?
2-month.
Or 2 months. Okay. So we got a couple candles like that. We got 4 candles like that.
Could be a big move. Could do something like this and go to the trend line. You know? Could even break it.
That's good. That would imply a 6
It
to
could
8
even
month
break it. Look at the squeeze. Wow, that's a squeeze on
Yeah.
the 2-month. That's a big squeezer up there. Yeah,
This is a good indication of the alt run, actually.
So we're
Pending.
gonna get an alt run. Is what this
Looks
chart
like it. Yeah, it looks like it. That is key. Yep.
Yeah, it's
That's the
suggesting
key.
it. It's suggesting it. Yes.
Okay. Okay, good.
Come on,
Wait,
Atroipa. Atroipa.
That's the
Atroipa
weekly
holding the weekly super trend. Atroipa. Yeah, it looks good.
What's Fed wanting to do?
Fed technically broke today.
That's promising.
Fed looks good too. It's very wrecked. It's got tail end bullish divergence on the 2 and 3 day RSI. Just watch that trend line on the RSI there on the 3 day. We basically have a lot of room to run up into that. That could be like a double up, triple up. But yeah, you got the divergence here. It's happening on the 3 day. Starting to clip here. Clip.
3 day means we have a month. We have a month of something interesting. Maybe 2. Yeah, we got some upside here. Looking like it could, because it just broke.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here's Hex versus PDI. Looks like PDI is the play.
That'll go down.
Yep.
Yeah, PDI's gonna smoke it.
If it really gets wrecked and it goes back to the bottom of the range like this, that's when you want to rotate the PDI.
And you're gonna rotate to Hex from PDI.
Yeah. Yes.
That's when cores go.
Yeah.
But those are LP bonded anyways, so yeah, but you're right, you gotta capture that move. Capture that ratio, why not? It all depends on when that happens.
Here's Hex versus ETH. Oh my god, it's at the bottom of the range. Hex versus Bitcoin. Oh my god, wrecked.
How's Pulse versus ETH looking? As far as room to go, if it goes. That's the key.
Pulse versus ETH looks like shit.
Yeah, but is it in a structure?
It is. It's yeah, maybe.
It's at the apex there. Yeah. Look.
I see it.
Good. So if it breaks out, what could it do versus it? That's the key. That's the leverage of Pulse versus ETH.
Well, the top of the wedge is what it would do. If it really breaks against ETH, is like goes to here. And that's like a 10x versus ETH.
Great. That's half of that would be 5x. That's fantastic rate leverage. There you go. That's what we were talking about. Cool.
Yeah. If it actually does go, but this monthly is telling you not yet. 3 weeks telling you not yet. 2 weeks telling you not yet. Weekly is telling you not yet. Lower time frames maybe starting to shift, but you are making lower lows against ETH right now. Looks poopy. Looks like you should still be in ETH. Just saying. You know? Looks like a poop. I feel like this chart is telling me to rotate Bitcoins into P-Day. Maybe not yet. I wish it would just fucking rip instead of just this bullshit 30%er and start breaking the trend. Just go. Like let's go. Wed moon. So far, it's just coming up to the trend line here and getting rejected. For now. Gotta break that. Gotta fucking break it. Gotta fucking break it. Yeah, it'll probably break it. 3-day MACD looks like it's ready to do something. All right. I think that's it. Nate peaced out. I'm going to peace out.
Yeah, I'll be going to sleep shortly.